We're now here at Canvas Boutique Hotel.
Ta-da! Alrighty, this is my bed. They're not shy with the mirrors. Fruits are there. Cereals, coffee.
We're doing island hopping today. Kauri Island, Duli Island, and Starfish Island. This is called Starfish Island. So this is it, the whole island. Last time we were here, it was 2018. Here we are at Buena Vista View Deck. Just a pee break on the way to the underground river. View deck of what is this?
I think this is the West Philippine Sea.
Here at Ugong Rock Adventures. Good morning!
Morning everyone. We are on day 2 of our...
Puerto Princesa trip.
And where are we going today, Jane?
We're going to, as I told you earlier, we're going to Puerto Princesa.
Underground river.
We're going to Underground River today.
At the moment we're at this place called Ugong Rock,
Yeah.
where you can do zip lining and some caving. There's that amazing beach. That's Sabang Beach.
We're here at...
This is Sabang Beach, and this is where the boat is going to depart to take us to the underground river.
Underground, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just show you around a bit. It's absolutely beautiful area and a beautiful day.
And a lot of vendors.
A lot of vendors.
A lot of vendors and few tourists, I think. There were more before.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. You get there and you get overwhelmed by all the vendors selling
Yes.
beads and
Non-stop.
necklaces, and
Shakes.
there's another one coming.
Juice. Okay, see you later.
Hot in the sun, eh?
It is.
Suddenly the sun just came out. I'd like to go walk on the beach again.
We cannot go far.
Not.
No.
Talaga.
Unlike before, there are many tourists.
Oh yeah, we had to wait a long time, eh?
Long time, but now
It's hard for me to say you love.
Grab my bag.
oh, there's a baby right there. Here now at going to the underground. Seven Wonders.
More than a minute, it's not under the north.
You didn't check any emails when you were...
Here you are.
Yeah, once or twice a week I just check just to see if there are any emails I need to pick up. Which I did, I just for any companies. And then
You need to get a helmet and audio device. So we're wearing a helmet and device, sound device. That's our boat.
Okay, everyone look up. That is a city, it looks like clouds. The symbol of the clouds. Of cloud nine.
Chop suey, and I've got that with garlic rice, and here we've got a lapu-lapu fish, and James got plain rice. Banana crepe. This is where we keep our shoes. Put them on. See, it's like someone's garden. There she is at the airport on the way home.
Home already.
At the end of a quick trip to Puerto Princesa. Did you enjoy your trip?
I did. Yeah.
Did you like the room?
That's very nice room. And
I like the hotel room, yeah.
I like the mirror, lots of mirror,
Yeah.
and the lightings.
Did you stay there again?
Yes, I think. And then next time they'll have their swimming pool fixed already.
Yes. Okay, so we're at the boarding gates, and I think our gates are up yet, so we'll hang around and then
We're
off we
now
go.
preparing.
Take me back in your arms, Manila.